Hello everyone, I Riddhi Singh welcome you all back to my channel, and I hope you all are doing well, keeping safe, and all are in good health. Today's look is a quick, easy peasy summer look. You can carry this look anywhere. It could be a lunch, brunch, friends outing. You want to go run some errands, you can put on some makeup and then go. So it's going to be very quick. It didn't take me much time, and it won't be requiring much efforts also to maintain it. Now, considering that it's summertime, we need to put in stuff which is more lasting so that it doesn't budge anywhere, and it's easy to handle if we require any touch-ups. So without wasting further time, let's get started with this look.
After having primed my face off camera with the Pack Pore Primer, I'm taking the MAC Paint Pot in the shade Groundwork and applying it both on the eyelid and under eye area. Next, moisturizing my lips with the NARS Lip Sleeping Mask. Next, moving to the Brow Kit by Wet n Wild. Filling my brows, taking the darker shade on an angled brush. Concealing my under eyes with the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I will take the product on the hand and then gently dab it on with my fingers. Now, since this concealer is my exact skin shade, it takes care of the under eye area. Reason of taking the product on the back of my hand and then applying it also helps me maintain the hygiene standards. Now applying it on the corners of my mouth where my pigmentation is. Taking the Nykaa lipstick in the shade Khoobsurat, which is also a matte lipstick. I will be using as 3 products. A, the lipstick, which I'm spreading with my finger to attain a sheer coverage. Then as my blush, and spreading it with my hand. Please don't get scared with the stark blush, because we always need to put a little extra blush, because the blush is the first thing that fades away. Then as an eyeshadow, and I will build it slowly as per the intensity I need. Now, a reason why I want to do sheer coverage or apply less amount of products is because it's easy maintenance of the look. Not to forget, it's summertime, so we don't want too much of product on our face. Instead of foundation, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Compact in the shade NC41. After getting rid of the creases, I will set my face with this compact and apply it in a dabbing motion. It will both tone down the blush and set it in place as well. Moving on to some additional steps which could be optional as well as per your liking. Taking the City Mini palette by Maybelline in the shade Rooftop Bronzers, I will add some dimension to the eyeshadow by taking the darkest shade and applying it in the crease and giving the slightly lifted effect on the corners of my eye and defining the lower lash line with it. Completing the eye look with the Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara by Sugar Cosmetics. Shade is 01 Black Beauty. And then, which is again an additional step, is applying bronzers. I love this Kiko bronzer, the shade 02 Mediterranean Tan. If you feel, you can just apply any contour which brings back a little warmth to your face. I love the effect of this bronzer, so I use it. In the end, locking the entire makeup with the PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer. It's one of my favorite setting sprays.
And this is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed it and would love to hear from you all. Please do try this look and do not forget to tag me. For those of you who are new, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also hit to the bell icon for being notified by my videos ahead. Take care, stay safe. Thank you for staying tuned. Bye-bye.